Yes.
So, so article number 253, we are discussing when the right to speech can be curtailed. One of the grounds of fundamental rights is like if a person giving any speech which is derogatory or which can hamper the international relations, friendly relations with other countries, on that ground, fundamental rights can be curtailed. That is specially article number 19, right to speech and expression. Please remember this. Next one. Which of the following statement about money bill? What is a money bill? Which article talks about the money bill? Article number 110. Please write down. Article number 110. It can be only brought in the Lok Sabha. Money bill can be introduced in the Lok Sabha only. And Rajya Sabha has got very limited power in this regard. The Rajya Sabha has got only limited power in this regard. A bill is considered as money bill. It is contained not only the provisions which are mentioned in Article 110 of the Constitution. There are 6 grounds. There are 6 grounds on which a bill can be named as money bill. Who has the supreme authority to name a bill as a money bill? Speaker of Lok Sabha. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Speaker of Lok Sabha has the authority to name it as money bill. And what is the major ground? If anything which is related to the Consolidated Fund of India, if you are taking anything from the Consolidated Fund of India, it can be named as money bill by the speaker. By the speaker. Clear?
Anything related to
Consolidated Fund of India. Consolidated Fund of India. Which article we are talking about? Money bill? 110. Budget?
112.
Is the budget mentioned in the Constitution?
Financial statement.
Article number 112, financial annual statement. Like for example, we say judicial review.
Yes.
But judicial review word is not there. But the connotation, the meaning is present there.
Yes.
If anything, any law which goes against the fundamental rights can be declared null and void or can be curtailed. So similarly, the budget is not, the word term budget is not mentioned, but article number 112, annual financial statement is mentioned. Article number 112. Whenever you are studying the article number 110, it has to be studied with article number 112. So please note it down and just read in your constitution. The money bill has to be returned to the Rajya Sabha with or without recommendations within 14 days. Within 14 days.
So contingency fund.
Contingency fund, what is a contingency? Is an emergency fund. For example, like earthquake happens and like for example the pandemic has come. It's like you can like you have the Prime Minister Cares Fund. Prime Minister Care Fund is there. Instead, I will say if I am given the option, the Prime Minister Care Fund is, what is Prime Minister Care Fund? It is nothing but contingency fund. It's like if any immediate thing results, the money can be used, because withdrawing from the Consolidated Fund of India requires the Parliament approval. No, at present Parliament is not in session. So what he will do? Like for example, for legislative law, when the Parliament is not in session, what we have done, what the government has done, it has brought an ordinance increasing the 2 years to 5 years. Similarly, to withdraw money from the Consolidated Fund of India, it requires Parliament approval. Now, every time it is not possible. So there is another fund, small fund known as contingency fund. Now, especially girls, you have your purses. There is a small case in your purse. You think that your big purse, the big purse is your Consolidated Fund of India. But still, there is a small pocket there where you just put subconsciously put some money in it, and in an emergency time, when you don't have any cash but you still remember that कुछ cash है उसमें बोल के, that is considered, can be as contingency fund of India. Now when you use it, you will replenish it. On one day in emergency you will take it out, but you will put it in there for every time. So, consolidated contingency fund of India is a, what you can say, an emergency fund. Consolidated fund of India is a major fund where parliament approval is required. Here, no parliament approval is required. Okay? And there are some articles which I don't remember presently, but it will come. There are questions on Consolidated Fund of India as well as the Contingency Fund of India. So, what is 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act?
Panchayat.
73rd Constitutional Amendment Act, 1992. It talks about
So what about Panchayat Raj? Ministry of Panchayat.
Panchayati Raj, the Panchayati Raj Ministry, or the what major questions which has come in 73rd Amendment Act is like the reservation of women and what are the three levels?
District level.
District level,
Block level.
intermediate is block level, and the village level. So village level, intermediate is block level, and the village level, district, inter block and village.
So Tehsil and block are same.
Tehsil is an Urdu word. Tehsil is an Urdu word, and block is a Tehsildar bolte.
Yes.
MRO is known as Tehsildar. It's an Urdu word that, and I think the block, I'll give you the exact difference tomorrow or whenever we meet, because I have to revise it. It has been a long time. So, generation of, what is the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act do? What is the major motive? Generation of gainful employment, generation of employment in the able bodies, laying the foundation of strong and vibrant Panchayati Raj institutions in the country, guaranteeing to life and right to life and liberty. Which option is correct? C. If you see the first option, what question you can make? Instead of read the first option and make your question. Generation of gainful employment for unemployed under the unemployed men and women in rural area. Which scheme comes to your mind?
Manrega.
Manrega was in news. Like last week or 2 weeks ago, it was like there are no funds. The funds has been crashed. So, you can make the question. Like generation of employment for able bodies, adults who are in need and desirous work during the lean agriculture season. For this, which scheme you can think of? Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana, PMREGP. Are you going through the schemes? Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana, one of the PMRY, Prime Minister Rozgar Employment Generation Program. So there are many schemes. Laying the foundation, guaranteeing right to life and liberty, security of person. What you can think of? Which article? Right to life and liberty. Article number? Article number 21, right to life and liberty. How can you forget? Clear? So which articles? 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992 added a new part 9 to the Indian Constitution, the Panchayats. For 243 to 243 O, 11th schedule, 29 subjects. So you should be remembering all 29 subjects. Have you started your lists? What is the first? I have asked you to at least read 3 items, 3 entries in the union list, state list and concurrent list. How many of you have started? Time nahi mil raha. Not getting the time. Make time for it then. It's all prioritizing. Success in UPSC is all about prioritizing your work. How much you have to give to whom, what you have to. Next, the speaker can ask for a member of the house to stop speaking and let another member speak. This phenomenon known as decorum. What is decorum? Maintain the decorum. Don't make it as a fish market. How many of you have seen the Somnath Chatterjee video? I asked you yesterday to see Somnath Chatterjee is angry in Lok Sabha. He asked, maintain the decorum. You are not fit for to be here. What is crossing the floor? Dal badal, anti-defection.